Hi, it's Paul, and this is this week's Winning Investor Daily. Now, if you go back and watch this video, you'll see on December 1st, 2017, I made a video that said this.
What's driving these gains today is the news that it's going up. And that's the essence of a mania. That's the essence of a bubble. And I wanted to write this Winning Investor Daily article because I know that many of you are in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, or many of you might be thinking about going into Bitcoin. And I want you to be warned of what had happened in 1999 and to tell you that you should stay away.
In this video, I told you that I believed that Bitcoin was a mania that was being driven by the news that it was going up. And that's the essence of the mania. That's how all manias and bubbles are, which is that people hear about other people getting rich and they want in. They can't stand it. They feel like they're going to miss out and they go all in all at once. And as you can see from the price chart of Bitcoin, after peaking out at about $20,000 per Bitcoin unit, is now in the range of about $6,500. It's been a drop of approximately 70%. And I'm bringing this up because there are now stories coming out about what I would call tales from the crash, which is people who were the ones that were bidding Bitcoin up in September, October, November, and even December of 2017, and even into early 2018. And if you look at the story, and we provided a link to the story, it talks about this man from Nottingham in England who put $23,000 into any number of these digital cryptocurrencies, which are now worth just $4,000. There's also a story here of a teacher that also put money into these cryptocurrencies and also has seen a very sizable loss. And the thing is that there is actually a real innovation that underpins most cryptocurrencies, which is that there is something called blockchain technology, which is a really good, very robust, very sturdy technology that I believe is going to be used and is beginning to be used in any number of places, whether it be to verify your identity in voting, to determine ownership. And we are going to start to see this technology roll out in 2018, 2019, 2020. And over time, we'll start to see it everywhere where it's important to establish ownership, identity, your rights, because it is a very easy way to store that kind of information. And it's a very complete record, which is that you can set it up so that there are these blocks of knowledge which have to be verified, have to be permissioned before they can be used, before they can be altered. And as it stands, it fits our world as it is in the world of investing, property, as I mentioned, whether it be voting, benefits. So you can expect wide application. And in previous videos, I've told you that taking a chance on a cryptocurrency is a very risky affair. And that's because today, in preparation for this video, I went to look at a website called CoinMarketCap. And there are literally hundreds of these cryptocurrencies. Some of them have very amusing names. Some of them have very interesting purposes. And if my original video, which made the comparison to the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin mania back then, if it comes to pass, which is that these two things are the same, the vast majority of these cryptocurrencies will end up being worthless. However, there is a way to invest in the underlying technology, what I call the picks and shovel strategy, which is that if you go back to the gold mining, the gold rush of the 1800s, the people who really made money are the people who sold shovels, people who sold jeans, people who had hostels and who had restaurants. They made money. The vast majority of the miners, they lost money. And so I've been recommending a stock to my readers through a blockchain promotional video. And I can't give the stock away here. However, you can get the same kind of benefit from investing in an ETF that I've been telling my readers to buy for nearly 2 years now, and readers are up nearly 90% from buying it. And that's the semiconductor ETF, which will give you some kind of exposure to blockchain, because blockchain depends on computing power, and we're going to need a lot of chips. So that's my video for this week. If you want to join my Profits Unlimited service, check into the link below. If you're watching this on YouTube, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share it with your friends and family. For Winning Investor Daily, this is Paul Mampilly.